It's that time of year where my car is yelling at me because I have a low tire because it got cold out. This Ryobi car tire inflator is so easy to use. It has other gizmos and gadgets too, but I use it for my car tire. So it's easy to start. You just hit the mode and then you push how much you want for your air to go into your tire, and then you just set it and forget it, because then once you're to that point, it'll just automatically shut off all by itself, which I really appreciate because it's kind of loud. So I have it going to 30. Whoops. 30. And then it has this handy dandy gizmo to plug it into the car tire, and I went ahead and already took this off so it's easy to get connected. You just screw this on and then you just go ahead and hit start. Like I said, it's loud, so I'll end the video after it's kicking off here because it is a loud one, but you just hit start and here it goes.